In a world where luxury often chases spectacle, few homes dare to elevate ambition into art. Yet this Lake Tahoe mansion transcends expectation, fusing architectural mastery with celestial wonder. Its private observatory redefines what a residence can be, an estate not merely built to impress, but to inspire. Step inside as we explore a home where grandeur meets the infinite sky.
Welcome to Creative Abode, where the art of design meets life. Explore unique architecture, innovative interiors, and inspiring spaces. Transform your home, discover new trends, and indulge in beautiful aesthetics. Let's create spaces that reflect your style, comfort, and creativity. Make yourself at home, and let your imagination wander.
The first sight of the mansion asserts a balance of strength and serenity. Stone, dark timber, and sweeping glass panels frame a facade that rises naturally from the Alpine terrain. The rooftop observatory crowns the structure, its brushed steel dome gleaming against the Lake Tahoe horizon. Warm interior light softens the bold geometry, inviting discovery while projecting unmistakable prestige. This is an entrance that announces refinement without a single word. And yet, this is only the beginning. Inside, the living room unfolds with cathedral-like volume. Timber beams arch overhead, guiding the eye toward floor-to-ceiling glass that captures the lake in a seamless tableau. Plush furnishings in muted tones anchor the space, while a sculpted stone fireplace adds elemental gravity. Every surface reflects a deliberate choreography of light and shadow, enhancing the home's high-contrast aesthetic. It is grandeur executed with discipline, luxury shaped by restraint. But the heart of the home reveals even more. The master suite offers a sanctuary where comfort and spectacle coexist. A panoramic window fills the room with twilight hues from the lake, while dark wood paneling delivers warmth with tailored sophistication. The fireplace, set into polished stone, glows subtly against layered linens and bespoke textures. A private corridor leads toward a rooftop glimpse of the observatory, reinforcing the home's celestial narrative. This is not merely a bedroom, it is a retreat. And its serenity deepens as we explore further. The kitchen embodies functional sculpture. A marble waterfall island commands the center, offset by rich timber cabinetry and brushed metal fixtures. Light spills across the polished surfaces, heightening the contrast between bright workspace illumination and the cool exterior glow from the picture window. Even here, the observatory is visible above the roofline, grounding culinary life in the broader identity of the home. Efficiency and elegance share equal footing. Ahead lies a vantage point unlike any other. The mezzanine floats above the great room, bounded by clear glass railings that preserve uninterrupted sightlines. Sculptural lighting casts layered shadows onto timber beams, while curated artwork adds expressive tone without overwhelming the architecture. A subtle upward angle reveals the observatory's curve through a skylight, reminding occupants of the home's defining feature. The space feels both connected and elevated, a bridge between levels and atmospheres. And the design's precision tightens as we ascend. In the spa-inspired bathroom, tranquility emerges through finely orchestrated contrasts. A freestanding stone tub anchors the space, complemented by slate flooring warmed beneath the feet. Ambient strip lighting outlines the room with understated glow, while a floor-to-ceiling window frames the muted alpine landscape. The interplay of natural textures reinforces the home's cohesive identity. Every detail is purposeful, from fixtures to finishes. Yet the outdoors extends this luxury even further. The front yard is meticulously composed to mirror the home's architectural power. Stone pathways weave between native pines, guiding visitors toward the glowing facade. Landscape lighting casts dramatic upward beams that emphasize texture and structure, while the observatory dome rises like a quiet sentinel above the roofline. The design respects the mountain environment while asserting a distinctly modern presence. It is a threshold crafted with intention. And the rooftop reveals why this home is truly singular. The rooftop terrace offers a convergence of earth and sky. Timbered decking and stone inlays form an elegant platform for open-air lounging, all oriented toward panoramic lake views. At its center stands the private observatory, its circular form both sculptural and scientific. Under starlight, the terrace becomes a stage for celestial discovery, blending leisure with wonder. It transforms the mansion into something beyond mere shelter, a gateway to the cosmos. But creativity thrives further inside. The working room is a study in focused refinement. A broad window presents the lake's calming expanse, while dark wood shelving and a tailored desk establish a professional yet intimate environment. Warm accent lighting shapes a high-contrast scene ideal for productivity. Through an overhead skylight, a faint view of the observatory offers a reminder of limitless ambition. The room merges discipline with inspiration. And outside, the estate expands its narrative. The backyard extends the mansion's luxury into the open air. A stone terrace flows toward an infinity-edge hot tub that appears to dissolve into the lake's horizon. A sculpted fire pit provides warmth, casting shimmering highlights across the glass walls of the home. The observatory dome, visible from behind, completes the composition, architecture, landscape, and sky intertwined. Every angle is choreographed for visual impact. This Lake Tahoe mansion showcases a rare alchemy of architecture, landscape, and celestial aspiration. Its private observatory elevates the estate from remarkable to extraordinary, redefining what a luxury home can represent. In every room and every view, the design celebrates vision, earthbound and cosmic alike.